So, sabi ni Sir Max sa akin, I have the freedom to choose if I would want to wear it with a cape, without a cape, or kung anong gusto kong gawin. And of course, gusto kong makita siya ng lahat na meron siyang cape and that I can remove it. So, what we did was, when tapos na lahat ng events ko that day, and nagkapag-ayos ako ng mga gamit ko, we went straight to the parking area where no one was there. Dinala lang namin yung cape, and then tinry namin siyang i-connect sa back ko, and then I was just doing the routine I had in mind na gusto ko kung paano lalaruin yung cape. So I was practicing there for like an hour just for that kasi medyo critical yung cape. Since yung snap-on niya dito, meron siyang mga stones. So pag mali yung hawak ko ng fabric, hindi ko mababato for the slow-mo. But when it comes naman dun sa slow-mo, actually, thank God, it was on time. Like, nakaharap na ako. Hindi awkward tingnan yung ginawa kong pose. Kasi, I really had no idea kung kailan siya magsuslow-mo. But I know na merong slow-mo. Sinabi naman sa amin yun na pag pumasok kami. So, yun yung mga pinractice ko doon. Kung kailan ko tatanggalin, saan part ko tatanggalin, kailan ako iikot. So, yun. But I'm really thankful for Sir Mac for allowing me to wear his creation.